After Mageza picks Flora, he went on to cheat on her with Lerato again after proposing. He was with her on the 15th of July, just a few days after proposing to Flora.
What actor, no actor?
Wait.
Bahlala sikhulumeni le ephuthumayo nayinto ephuthumayo ke phela. uFlora umnganami ushadile ke manje, ushadile siyabonga hawu halala. Welerato usuwaqambeleni kamanga ukuthi wena ena umithi. Qambelana namanga manje. Usufuna ukona into yabantu nje obinhle kangaka. Inkinga yakhe ikuphi? Uwaqambelani manje amanga ukuthi wena umithi ngana Mageza. Hayi bosisi. Ashongo thina ukuthi wena vula imilenze bese umfana eyashada phambi kwakhe engakhethanga wena usigijima umithi. Amanga ngaqambelana amanga. Suyonelana into yabantu inhle kangaka uyonelana nje into ezinye ingane uyonelana. Kanti wena ulala ngoba ufuna umitha noma ayibo sisawusenza understand bese uvula ama comment section. Wena ulala ngoba ufuna umitha noma ulala ngoba ufuna ukushada. Sithi thina uMageza ushadile, Mageza ushadile. Musukona into yabantu, musukona into yabantu sisi hayibo. Akwenziwa kanjalo, akwenziwa nje.
Hello, Mzansi. Gossip Girl. Mageza Wants a Wife is a reality show about a taxi driver searching for a wife. On episode 13, Mageza chose Flora as a future wife. Congratulations to Flora. And we saw on reunion episode 13 that Lerato was left heartbroken because Lerato and Mageza were very close and intimate multiple times during the show. So after the reunion, I saw multiple of videos which hinted or vele Lerato is heartbroken that Mageza did not choose her. And then she managed to record Mageza alimpeteng, obviously as a para, showing as proof for, you know what, we were busy. So Lerato went live on Saturday. Lerato went live on Saturday evening, go TikTok, and then she was talking about this friend of hers. Lerato somehow knew that Mageza was going to be on the show. And then she told the friend to follow Mageza on social media. And then somehow, I don't know how the friend managed to get the contacts of Mageza and all of that. And then there was a deal that was made before the show. So the friend asked Mageza, well, you know what, my friend, which is Lerato, I'm sending a picture. And this is the girl that is going to be on this show. Mageza Wants a Wife. Please keep her until top 2. Do not break her heart. So that was the deal, right? So, and it looks like Mageza played both Lerato and Lerato's friend, because the way Lerato is explaining, Mageza was flirting or na jolale chumia Lerato. So onamo litlamo kwa Lerato ga tlhalosa. It's just that she is soft spoken and Lerato doesn't speak much. Hey? That's one thing about Lerato. And then on Mageza's side of the story, Mageza, lately he is forever online. Oh, Mageza, Renori 7, he's on TikTok till the following day. Loro ka tsoga ka 2, loro ka tsoga ka 4. What's on TikTok? Mageza is forever on TikTok live. Anyway, so on this live Mageza, his side of the story, he went live le Rethabile. And Rethabile o tsena taba tse di sa monyakeng, ne? So Mageza admitted to many allegations about the friend, about sleeping with Lerato unprotected, and Lerato claiming that she is pregnant for Mageza because she was heartbroken over Mageza who chose Flora. And Mageza, or there's no way that Lerato could be pregnant because I took out money, gave production, because they knew that we were sleeping together. I gave production money so that they can buy the morning after pill and give them to Lerato. And she drank them. So how can she be pregnant? So she pulled the pregnancy card after Snowfetjao discovered no, Mageza uchuzije Flora, not Diana. After the show. It's just that Renara reunion, 3 months later after they have shot. So they still continued also having love. So Mageza, he did say a lot. And I managed to record him here and there because, as I say, that Mageza can go on live just like 5 hours straight. So it's a lot. It's a lot to take in. I managed to record where I could. So he was just explaining his side of the story to Rethabile. Rethabile feels so entitled. about who's wrong, who's right, who should do this, who shouldn't do that. Like she's just becoming an advocate about people's lives. I don't know why couldn't she just stand there and then watch the space, because it's none of her business. As much as she was in the top 4, but she feels, she comes off as someone that feels so betrayed, so entitled. You if you follow the show, you know what I'm talking about. I feel like Utsana Tabatidi Samyak, and this is none of her business. Flora should be the one who's fuming and reacting in all sorts of ways, including Palisa self, including Palisa. But Rithabile, number 4, wah, kumaraw. But she's even going on podcasts. Oh, I don't know. I just feel some type of way about Rithabile. Beautiful as she is, but she's just doing too much with things that have got nothing to do with her.
Yona ya go nna le Makeza ne re tsebane ke Maka, ne re sa tsebane khona ne ke tseba Makeza ha ke fihla ko shung ene le teng ya re ke bua story sena a ke re ena Makeza o itse ka ga ke clever ke o tlo tshisa ka nna mo ko TikTok. Okay, sharp. So guys, what is this? So ne ke na le chomi ya ka engwe so anke se buile tsela hae ne ke na le chomi, so chomi ya ka em impontse ya ga chomi o bona hona le show ya Makeza Wants a Wife, please kopa o ngwalle then o ye ko teng abo ai shapo ke chomi ya ka mamela ka yena ka ngwalla show ka ya ko yona ha ke fihla mo. I think ne se le top 3 ne se se le tunal palace ane mara re Thabile o na le teng, Flora bane ba le teng, bane ba soka ba tsamaya sharp ba re network re Thabile o na le teng le Flora o na ntse le teng. So Flora na dutse ka go monya ya ali 1 ane then re Thabile o tla ka go mong ya palace, ne ke dutse le palace, re Thabile tla ka go monya palace ke re hona le ntwe sa ntshwarang sharp wabo ba re ke ke re ke feel ka re Makeza mo ko shung like o feel o phela fake life wabo so ba mpotsa wa o Makeza o phela fake life ke re chomi ya ka e qetang sendela di screenshot tsa hele Makeza, qetang sendela dinepe tsa Makeza wabo le di video tsa Makeza. Okay, ai luna ignata luna le so o tata senda screenshot tsa hele tsa Makeza le o tata senda di video tsa Makeza le screenshot sa hele sa Makeza le di video tsa Makeza wabo shapo ke ba bontsha hore mo Makeza ana bua le chomi ya ka a jetsa chomi ya ka de ya ratang ka teng, chomi ya ka mjetsa hore chomi ya ka qeta ngwa la show ene wa tla show mo. Then Makeza mjetsa hore a ska wa ga ke tlo show ma ha ke no choose msadi ane so nna lona go tlo gona ho tswela pele. Chomi ya ka ne qeta tshola ngwana, chomi ya ka mjetsa hore so nna ke na le ngwana ane ke na le ngwana a qeta go hlaya. Makeza hore a ke na taba go na le ngwana ka pa ha ona ngwana nna. Okay, sharp. Makeza le chomi ya ka ba etsa ba jola shapa ke fihla mo bula nna chomi ya ka send screenshots o gonna chomi o ska bitseng chomi o ska nkella Makeza show hloho because Makeza ke mthwaga wabo ke bontsha papa se ke ra man shaba ntwe ne etsa la mon Makeza o utlwana le chomi ya ka ba sa yo ha hle nna ka se ke tshola le go ke nkile khia ho yena bo so ke ntwe e etsahetseng a ke tsebo bantse ba bua ka ba sa because nna le motho o ha sa le dithomo ene e se le gala ga sa bua le bua re like re blockana ke tsebantse ba bua ka ba sa bua because o kwatetse hore ke setse top 2 ene Makeza a ka nkgetha and ke mjetse hore nna le Makeza ga ntse re kopana ka ntle. So that's why chomi ya ka avetseng unblocker ga blockana till today nna lena go subui ke ntshetseng ka Makeza. Guys, Makeza yo ke na le proof ke na le yo hle ke tlo tsa video no ha qeta man ke tsa video ke tlo posta le di screenshot tsa ka tsa Makeza tsa chomi ya ka di voice note tsa Makeza tsa chomi ke tlo posta ntho le ngwe guys a ka tlo hlalla ka ke motho bothata go on hlaisitse ka ke motho mo be guys like nna ke motho ke tshwarela ka speed guys. So
why don't you take out the pictures, the screenshots? No, Rita. You know, here's the thing. Here's the thing.
Me anymore.
Here's the thing. You know very well, Ori. Nah, I take screenshots and send them to people I know from production. I get. So now I keep quiet. That's why I'm like, I'm not gonna expose a lot of things. I'm just like, Rita, since you're my guest today, you
allowed me to say the truth.
I'm gonna ask you questions, and if I'm lying, please be honest with me and say, no, Mara, you are lying here. Ane? And say everything oilungori. If I read really too, we keep quiet, we don't say anything. The only thing I'm gonna ask is, where do I start? Okay, Rita, before I'm gonna ask you questions or anything, Ane, I think ki kopa uba hlalosetsa hore what's happening and what happened before, Ane, and then I'll ask you the questions after.
Right.
So, guys, what happened is, before I came to the show, there was this girl. She followed me on social media and everything. And when I went to the show, people were like, how do you know this person? And I'm like, no, she followed me. I know her from social media. And I think there was an episode whereby I asked her, how did you find my social media platforms? She was like, hey, I searched it, I did this and this. And I was like, okay, cool, no problem. And then what happened was, Kelly Sharp, I kept quiet, didn't want to say a lot. And today, I just posted a video. I was like, hey, posted a video for the Glen Volkswagen and what. And then people are on my comments, they're like, hey, this person is live, which is Kimang Liam. Hey, this person is live. Okay, sharp. And I'm like, okay, I'm like, okay, cool. I search, I'm blocked. And I'm like, oh, I'm blocked. Oh, she doesn't know I have another account. Let me go use this other account. I search, find her. And then she says, apparently, her friend and I were speaking. And since her friend and I were speaking, Nanikishela Chumia High. And the Chumia High, apparently, and since and all of that, I said I don't care. I'll be in a relationship with this girl, with Lerato's friend. And then what happened was, Kelly, apparently we didn't know, we can't do this. I want you to choose Lerato, but. And then I told the girl, I said, I'm not going to choose anyone. That's what she says. And I'm like, I'm not going to choose anyone on the show, blah, blah. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. By the way, while she's saying all of this, I'm recording on my phone, on my other phone. I'm like taking a video. I'm like, oh, she's saying this and this and this. Oh, okay, good. And then I was like, okay, since this is happening, can I call someone? Olumori, they were on the show. And then I did what? I called Rita. I was like, hey, Rita, do you have time? She's like, yeah, I have time. And I'm like, do you still remember everything that happened when we were at the villa? She was like, yeah, I remember everything. And I was like, no, at 9 o'clock, I'm going to go live. Can you please join me? I have things to ask you. And she was like, about what? And then that's when I said, about the Lerato situation because she's busy saying this and this about me. Then she says, why don't you tell people the honest truth? Elongore, we know and we saw the screenshots. And I'm like, no, I'm not that type of a person, but I'd like you to be on the panel so we can speak about this because I feel like there's a lot of things Elongore Kedipata, Akibuika because of Lerato. I'm trying to protect her peace and everything. But then I saw Ore, she can go low, so now I can go to hell. Okay, Rita.
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember the day production gave me my phone to call my barber and then they forgot to take my phone at night? I came with my phone to your guys' room and you guys asked me a question. You were like, how did you really know Lerato? And I said, through a friend.
The question was, why are you following Lerato prior show? Because we thought nobody knows anyone here.
Exactly. And then that's when I explained. I was like, no. I got a text from a friend, Yal Rato, and the friend was like, oh, my friend is coming to the show. She's half colored, vat. And then she sent me a picture. After sending me the picture, I was like, hey, nah, I don't want this person and all of that. And then obviously, and then after that, that's when I was like, it's fine. So Rita, please tell people what exactly happened that day when I came to your guys' room with my phone.
Yo, man. Okay, firstly, me and some of the girls were honestly disappointed because, you know, we all don't know who Mageza is. We're all going to get there and meet Mageza there. So to then see the chats from your phone, I don't remember who took your phone from you, but to then see the chats from your phone with that girl that I still say post, it is because now the text more the girl is like, can you keep her till top 2 and then we'll date type of shandes, and I'm like, oh, okay, which is why people don't know what really happens behind the scenes, which is why most of the girls then wanted to leave because the Lerato situation didn't start fela yalo. And guys, honestly, it's not bumenemene. Some of us are honestly just tired. Yes, there's pregnancy stuff and stuff, but like, y'all don't know what happened behind the scenes. We were there. Palesa was here, Flora was here, and Lerato was here, so we can put it on the table because this issue happened who's at the top 4. Do you get? So now with those texts.
Wait, how do you switch off the comments, man? No, you can continue, Rita.
Yeah, with those texts, I remember even Palesa confronting me about one of them where it's like, oh, so now Mageza is probably making a deal with this girl to keep Lerato till top 2. Like, isn't this supposed to be a fair game? And long story short, Lerato did confront us about it and she's like, sharp, yeah, Mageza is talking to my friend. Never really got to detail, but I feel like for peace to reign, gonna be evidence on the table, guys. Just like put it there and say this is it.
A reason why I didn't want to put up the comments out there, it's because Akbatli profile I just wanted it to be about me. And what's happening is she's basically telling people that she's going to post the screenshot high, which is when she said that go living, I was praying Worry, please don't choose the ones you like. Post everything, like the way dealing ka thing. Because the friend came to me and she was like, oh, I know you. I know someone who knows you. And I'm like, who knows me? I don't know. There's a girl, gonna lady gave you my number, what. And I said, hey, where did you take my number? And then the girl was like, no, we know someone that lives gonna lady, but then Rona, Valley, hey, we are friends, hey, what. And I was like, okay, cool. Send me the person of the person. Send me the numbers of the person who gave you who gave you my numbers. She sent me the picture and I was like, I don't know this person, so please don't bother me. And then she was like, oh, okay, Mara, I was just here to tell you, she said, I was just here to tell you, there's someone who wants you and Mutwate nice, he vat.
Are you saying you and Lerato did not know each other like prior to the show?
No, we didn't know each other, Nalal Rato. And then what happened was the girl went saying unjotaka Lerato, telling me about Liema and everything. Sharp. Hence I know the name Liema because she was introduced to me by the friend by Liema. And I was like, okay, cool. She sent me her picture and everything, and I was like, oh, okay, fine. Anjoita, she's half color, and I was like, hey, dude, nah, I'm not there. And then the friend posted herself, and then I was like, oh, so this is you, and that's your friend, Aria. Tara, when you look nice and everything, that was me. And then after I told the friend, Ore, you look nice, but, that's when the girl told me, Ore, she's pregnant, and when she told me, Ore, she's pregnant, that's when she started venting and telling me, Ore, no, she's going through a lot with the baby daddy and what. And then I was like, hey, you know what? It's life, there's nothing we can change. And then I spoke to the friend. The friend was like, you know what? When my friend let's show. So my friend, basically, since she submitted her things, we are not sure if they are gonna accept her or not. But then please accept her and make sure you choose her. And I'm like, hey, why am I supposed to choose her? And then after she said that, Arki choose Liema, the girl was like, no, you know what? If you don't choose her, at least don't break her heart. Top 2, vat.
Yes, these are the kids that I saw.
Yes. I'm like, okay, sharp, top 2, hey, dude. What if I'm not going to even choose this person because I don't know this person? But then if she's accepted to the show, then it's fine. And then when we got there, I remember my best friend was with me, Ma Kosonke. My Kosonke was there. And I asked some of the team from production, is this girl here? Because I went to Instagram. She was following me on Instagram, on Facebook. Yeah, it was Instagram and Facebook. And then I went to Facebook. I showed them the picture. And they were like, no, we can't tell you anything. We can't tell you anything. We definitely can't say anything. And I was like, okay, cool. No problem. I was like, okay, sharp. And then it was time for me to see the girls in the morning. At night when Kiko when Rico, the intro and everything. And then that's when I saw Liema. I was like, oh, it's familiar because already I've seen this picture, young one also. And one thing about me, I don't forget Sfahlosa Mutu. So now I see her, and when I see her, it's a thing of, oh, okay, sharp. And to me, it was a thing of, yeah, sharp, I'm gonna get to know her, what. Because that's when Kitlo Etang, I was like, guys, you remember I spoke of Cam. I called her Liema and she was like, how do you know that name? And I'm like, hey, dude, I know that name because there was a friend of yours who texted me and told me about you. And she was like, no, I don't know any of that. And I was like, oh, you don't know any of that? And I said, the name is Tulufel. Now I don't know anything. I didn't send her or anything. That's when you guys came to me and asked me, so you know this person? And I was like, guys, I don't know Liema. I don't know her. And since Kisamutibe saw, just know that the friend came, and since the friend came, she's the one who told me about this person. That's how I knew her. And you guys, the truth thing and all of that.
Obviously, it's true because now, Liema Lerato Liana showed us a few pictures of you before that we don't even know about. Hence, we thought maybe you and Lerato Letsebana from Kale. That's why to us it seemed a bit too shady. That's why most of the girls were saying Lerato not special treatment going.
Yeah. So now what did I do? I asked Lerato right on the spot. I was like, how did you find my social medias? And then Lerato was like, no, I found your social medias because they showed me your advert. And then after showing me your advert, I searched Trivik. And I'm like, oh, okay. And that's when she says, hey, she followed me and all of that. And I was like, okay, cool. Sharp. Fast forward to the part whereby we are at the show. It happens that, yeah, Lerato and I did our thing, Sharpo. And then I remember the first time Sharp, Lerato and I, we had sex and all of that, Sharp. And then after that, I remember in the morning, I wanted medic. And I was like, guys, I did a big mistake and I'm gonna need morning afters. I'm not sure what's happening, but I want to be safe. And they were like, oh, okay, cool. And then after that, Sharpo, they went through their own thing as
basically gave her the pills.
Exactly. They went through that. I remember even in the morning, Melo. Yeah. Melo was like, let's go to the shop, say what Uncle Rato fella sabatlo champies. And I was like, okay, sharp, no stress. That's the following morning, by the way. And then I think it was top three. Palisa said, please come to my room, we need to talk. And I was like, okay, cool, I'm coming. Went to the room, and then Palisa was like, hey, dog, I don't know what's happening, but this person doesn't feel okay. So I think it was after 3 days. Yeah, after 3 days or 2 days. She was like, hey, I think this person, I feel sharp, oh, hey, blah, 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 blah. I think this person, we meet. And I'm like,
But it's not Palisa's fault because now Lerato is the one that told Palisa and all of us girls that.
Yes, it's not Palisa's fault. At this point, Palisa is not at fault.
I'm just hearing.
At this point, Palisa is not at fault because Palisa was actually coming to me as a person who ringing. I need you to be aware of this.
Yes.
Exactly. And then I was like, hey, okay, sharp. And then I was like, I remember I sat down more like and she was like, no, confirm everything and see everything is sharp and all of that. And I was like,
quality and stuff.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. Yeah. That was Palisa. And I was like, okay, cool, no problem. after that, I think after about 30 minutes or 45 minutes, I woke up because I dozed off there, and I was like, yo, hey, wabona I saw it's something else. I went to Lorato's room. I was like, are you okay? She was like, yeah, I'm okay. Because I think Nabula better and everything. She was like, nah, I'm okay. And I was like, are you sure? What's going on? She was like, nah, nothing is going on. I was like, okay, sharp, no stress. And then what happened was I dozed off Kokauchunya Lerato. I slept there. She didn't wake me up. Then in the morning I woke up. And then Katamai, sharp, no stress. And then what happened? Oh, then she started texting. I think after the shoot and everything.
No, but wait, on that specific night, when you were in her room, I remember Flora and Balesa saying, Lerato, it's king. Go to Trivial. Since Aloko Kamranya, go there. And I was even like, yeah, sure, go there. Libu, because like now no one can run away from this since you're saying you're pregnant and khotata. And then she was like, let me just calm myself down. Which is so sad because Balesa was very supportive of her throughout that entire time.
Yeah. So now, obviously, she came to me. She was like, actually, she texted me. Because I remember when we left, she had my number and all of that. And then she's like, so basically, she sent me, it's a picture, but it was screenshotted from somewhere. And it's a picture that was screenshotted from somewhere because she forgot to crop. I get sharp, no stress. Get a pregnancy test, what. And I'm like, oh, okay. When she sent me that, she was like, if I see the 2 lines and I can see her, dude, this is a screenshot, so I don't understand what you're trying to do. And I'm like, can I at least send you money to go buy the real thing? Don't buy those cardboard things. And then she was like, oh, okay, it's fine. Vad. And then I realized, no, Latoya's lies. Latoya's lies. Everything unfolded in front of my eyes. And I remember when everything was unfolding, I was speaking to you, and when we were speaking, we were talking about this, I think, most of the time, because there were things she said that didn't make sense to us, because we didn't understand, why is she doing this and this, but at the same time, she's saying this.
Okay, basically, can I put it blunt? Basically, when the whole pregnancy pictures and stuff happened, I even took screenshots because I was also getting messages. And I remember I was talking to Flora, so, oh, this is what's happening. Flora, I think, is also involved in the conversation. And I was like, oh, okay, you're pregnant. Sharp. And then I remember you asked me the question, you're pregnant, but right now she's at Groove drinking. Then how am I supposed to take her seriously? Then I asked Balesa, and then I was like, oh, man, you know what? I don't know. Yeah.
That time it was the time whereby she posted the bill. I remember she posted the bill. Aliko Groove with her friends and all of that. And I came to you. I was like, dude, please make me understand. This person says she's pregnant, but she's at Groove blowing the 21K with friends. And at the same time, she told us about the situations and all of that. And I said, does it even make sense? Because you came to us and told us, oh, hey, this is what you're going through, but then you are outside with friends blowing those kind of money. I mean, that kind of money with friends, blowing like 21K with friends, drinking beverage and everything. But yet, you came to the show and you spoke about the way things are going, and we were like, "Aish, yeah, it's not okay." But I was like, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna keep quiet because now it's a thing of I don't want to feel like I'm judging you or something. I just kept quiet and then kept my cool. I remember in the morning I got an email. The email was like, don't speak to the girls, don't say anything to the girls, because there are people who are planning. There are people who are planning to sabotage you.
But I remember, I think also us girls got those kind of emails to just stop communicating with each other and per se, because already there were fights. Remember, there were fights between the girls, and yes.
So now my question is, okay, Sharp, they were planning. What were they planning? Now, obviously, I like to know. I asked further, what's happening? They were like, no, the girls, they are planning something to make you look like you are this guy. You are busy with girls. Vat. And I was like, oh, okay, I'm busy with girls.
And respectfully, the girls are planning. Can we not put Flora? Flora was also very supportive of Lerato. Can we not put Palesa? Palesa was very supportive of Lerato. Can we also not put me? Because Lena was very supportive at that time.
But here's the thing. I didn't know what you guys did. I don't know even now what was happening there. Now the only thing I know, it's the 1-8 reciting like because I remember there was a time whereby I called you the same day. They told me they are planning something, vat. And then when they told me you guys planning something, let me call Rita. I remember when I called you, I said, Rita, I think we're gonna have to stop speaking because apparently you girls are planning something. So I don't wanna be seen like a bad guy. So can we at least cut ties, not say anything, and just know if someone is cooking something for me, I'm gonna cook something for them because I have a lot to say and I have a lot to show.
Okay, and I remember after that text, Lerato named a group chat between the four of us girls because of the fights that were happening. And I had sent them, I still have a screenshot, by the way. I had sent them a text, guys. Trivi K, or he's not going to talk to any of us respectfully because no Hualaniwa and whatnot, and people are pointing fingers. And then I remember sending the screenshot back to you as feedback to production.
Exactly my point, because now they were like, since the girls are saying this and there's a plan whereby they're trying to open a case and what for you as production, I was like, no, you know what? I have my own proof. Can I show you my own proof? They were like, oh, since you have your own proof, please show us what you have. I remember that day. I had to block Bali, I had to block Liam and Lerato. Had to block them both. I took screenshots of them and then I sent them to one of the production members. Send it there, sharp, no problem. I gave them everything that was there. I remember, I think I had like more than 20-something screenshots. I sent them to production, which is, they were like, until they are the ones by Longori, they are doing this and this and this. And I'm like, yeah, now I'm keeping quiet, even though, yeah, sharp. for me, I would say it was wrong for me to lead them on in a way, but then at some point there were times whereby you will definitely like say some things or call me. You want or get drop a call out, but you keep on calling and calling and calling. Like, Kisha, why are you still calling me? And then I took all the screenshots that he sent la mole. I remember the group chat. That's when Lerato sent me Birking the screenshots of the group chat she created for you guys. Asking Ore, Tante, what did I say or do to Trivial? Because she sent me a paragraph telling me the way she likes me, the way she wants me to be with her, and what, me must be with her. She sent me paragraphs, and I didn't entertain her. One thing about Lerato, if you're gonna hold her accountable for something, and then she will actually like speak to other people just to find out and then also send her, and that's what she did. She created a group chat with you guys. She asked you individually. She sent voice notes. The feedback.
She was saying, confirm if she ever said anything horrible about you to us, and we just had to say, oh, okay, Salewa bua solo so, or no, you've never said this. Basically, we all just had to say if she said anything negative about you to us. And I remember she also told me she sent those screenshots or VNs to you as proof or whatever.
And which is, when that happened, I remember I was on a call with you and I said, I didn't listen to any of the things they sent to me. I took them and sent them to production. That was me. That was me saying whatever proof whatever voice notes you guys said or whatever you guys did, she sent it to me. I took it. I sent it to production. I moved on. Didn't want to listen to anything. I didn't even want to entertain it. And then I kept quiet. Sharp. And then after some time, Sharp, I saw Lerato. We saw each other, Sharp, we chilled, everything nice, cool. And then here's the thing that
Didn't
happened.
you all see each other, the pregnancy test together?
No. Which pregnancy test?
Okay, no, I remember someone saying there's a time when you all met, and I don't know if Melilo check or you all were just chilling, I don't know.
No, we didn't do any pregnancy test in Nalorat.
You all never went to the clinic together.
We never went to the clinic together. She texted me one day. She was like, I'm going to the clinic. Vat. And I was like, oh, okay. And then I think after an hour, I called her. And then I was like, dude, did you? She was like, nah, today I'm tired. I won't go. I'll go tomorrow. And then it ended there. The other time she came to me. And then when she came to me, it was a thing of, we see each other sharp, we did our thing, and then after that, she left. And then after she left, that's when I was like, hey, you know what? I spoke to her, I was like, dude, you know, you do a lot of fucked up shit, because now you go around telling people things, like, she's that person and I was like, you know what? Now I don't tolerate all of this. And then here's the thing. When Lerato and I were speaking about the pregnancy and everything, Lerato obviously Shabrabuaka pregnancy and whatnot. Already we know the truth, or you are not pregnant. That's when we knew, you are not pregnant. You're just playing a game here. You're trying to play a game for me to stay or wait along akitsebi. But then I know you are not pregnant. So here's the thing.
The Lerato situation didn't start, which is why Anita also mentioned it even started when Anita was still there.
My word.
Yeah, so she just leave.
So Mageza like slept with Lerato even way before the revelation of
Even way before the actual reveal.
That's crazy.
So there were
And-
still like other what you call other participants during the time it happened.
Yeah. Thing is, with Lerato, at least if she was silent about it, but with her, she just said in our faces, so it's born, and we'd be like, yo, okay.
Do you think that was a game plan for her?
And she played her game very well, because in reality, even she's someone who just keeps quiet. But we actually started questioning the times in which you always just leave and disappear, and we'd be like,
What are those times?
the night time.
So she would disappear at night and go spend the night because we did
There's
have
a time she actually came back like 11 a.m. before shoot, and we're like, oh. She's like, no, and we're like, oh,
Did you feel the need to confront him about that?
I did.
And what was his reaction?
Some other thing that he said was, so getting in knife mutuiti second nama guy. And I was like, okay. And at some point he was like, look, I know who I want here, Ratabile. And
Me and this person, we're gonna stop talking. Vat. Trust me, everything you post and do, we speak about that, and we laugh about it because we already know the truth. We already know what happened. So if you're gonna come to a public platform and start saying things, remember, there's always two sides of the story. There's always two sides of the story. You can say your part, you can say your piece, you can fabricate your story, you can do whatever. But then come with facts. Show us the people by Longore, they were there. Invite everyone and say, you know what, this is what's happening. This is what's happening. I am glad that everything that happened, it happened in front of people to witness all of this. That's why today I can go to one of the people and say, do you remember this day? Do you remember what happened, Kaltatsileso? Can we talk about that so that I can clear my name on that? Because you are going around saying this happened on that day, knowing very well or that day something I tell you the way we buang ka teng. I tell you the way we buang ka teng. So now, what I'd like to say is, good luck, guys. This was the first time of me entertaining your stories and everything, and it's the last time. I think at this point, I don't have time to entertain your drama and what, because I think I have to focus on someone. And as long as that person, we understand each other and we understand what happened and we spoke about things, it's fine.
then there's
Now
no
we're
need for you to entertain.
Yeah?
If you and Flora are speaking in a leshapo and a libuile kayononto, then there's no need for you to entertain those things. If they happen, let them happen. Totally.
Exactly. That's why even yesterday, when people were like, hey, dude, this person, they posted this. And then when I searched it, and I'm like, since you guys posted this, why did you block me? You opened a new account to expose, right? So I'm supposed to see your thing. Or you exposed me sharp. But then why block me? Today,
I just honestly hope, I just honestly hope whatever they're saying you did or meeting her after the reunion is not true for the sake, yeah, honestly.
Yeah. Because now, a lot of things the etala and haditsu the way the like I said, you remember even when Rita and Twitter thing, I said I'm not afraid to speak the truth. There are people who won't believe the truth. There are people who will believe the truth. But then I will say what happened exactly the way it happened. If you hate me or you hate that person, it's not on me. Not as long as it's fine. You can play the game here, deny. I don't care. You can deny as much as you want, but we know the truth. We know the truth. Because now, even the other day, I was on a long call with her, and she was basically telling me about the other girl. So now she's trying to fix the relationship she broke by actually doing what that person wanted to do. Understand? She's trying to fix that relationship because that person wanted to do the same thing. I want to speak about this person, but I'm gonna throw shade. So now she failed. Now I told this person, please, don't try me. Don't try me. So since bona fail, why ulukisiwa relationship ya bona ka o batla o filma ka lebitso la ka? Why o le filma ka o lukisa le mthole? A lot is happening, Rita. A lot is happening.
Not from my side, just stop talking to any other girls and,
Here's the thing, I don't speak to them.
I know, in as much as you and I have not been speaking until you called me in like a
Exactly my point. I don't speak to anyone. I only speak to this one person. So I don't understand. So I don't understand what's actually going on here, because now you are here saying this and this and this, but at the same time it's like, Mara, Juan, how is that even possible? Hey, but then thank you, Rita. So everyone will they have something to say. Guys, you guys can say nah. Like today, I cannot let energy out entertain a drama. Like when I saw that, I was like, oh. Now you are saying things whereby I'm gonna come and show what's happening and tell what's happening, and then you're gonna try to bring something up again. That's what I hate. Can't hear back and forth. That's what I hate, because I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna say this and this and this and this, and then you're gonna try to do this. Now, hey, I'm not gonna entertain it, Shem. Honestly speaking, I'm not gonna entertain it. Like, I'm tired of entertaining it. I am very tired. So if you want to do whatever you do, girl, big ups. Enjoy what you're doing. But don't forget to not select what you want people to see. Select the whole thing and show the truth the way it is. That's all I can say.
Trivia cake, good luck, man. Sharp, me.
Sharp. Oh. Hey, man. Ntho we bula jwang no?
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Too much good.
Go on and the comments.
Yeah, the bula.
Okay.
Give the boot.
I'm proud of you ever.
Dog. Ukuthi ezinye izinto they just bore me.
I'm just proud of how you handled this matter.
Ezinye izinto mfana ziyadina, because now you go around speaking about people, and then when they start speaking about you wanna spread lies about their name, because I've seen this pattern. You've been doing the same thing. You've been saying things about your friends, You've been doing things. Now you come back, you're doing it to me. I'm not gonna keep quiet. I'm definitely not gonna keep quiet.
Okay, guys, problem child is back. Real problem child unyetswe.
Unyetswe ke mang?
Ke a botsa mong o dese thata.
Re kutlwa batho ba bang ba etsa.
Awa nke go ntse bana ke tla thola.
Hi Asake.
Njani nje?
Ngiyaphila njani sis?
Ngiyaphila. What I notice when you don't have to ukusenza ukuthi si understand the situation, you understand? When I just make Flora happy, we don't care ukuthi kwenzakalani nani, you don't have to focus on us. You understand? The only person that you must focus on Flora, how is she? Unjani? Yabona? Akufanekanga uziclarify ekuthina because this is what is sikhuluma le. You understand?
Yeah, what's happening is Flora right, guys. Honestly speaking, Flora is okay. Flora and I, we laugh about this. But then, even before Niba Live now, I spoke to her and I was like, please allow me to actually do this. And she was like, I think it's high time you're supposed to do all of this because she's been like trying. And people don't actually know Uguti when against Zagalan. People don't know all of that. And that's when she said, if you want to do it, please do it and make sure, Uguti, you don't leave anything out. Tell them the way how it started and how it went by. Because ezinye izinto ziyadina, my sister. Ziyadina ezinye izinto. So that's why ngithi when it comes to Flora, angifuni manje abantu bayodelela Flora and all of this. I didn't do it.
You have to protect her.
Exactly. So me doing this, it was actually me trying to actually protect Flora to all of these things as because people don't actually know ukuthi azenzakalanga manje. Bona they think ukuthi ziyenzeka manje. It didn't happen now. It happened way back. So now people are bringing them now just because I chose her, and now people are gonna look at Flora in a different way. Yokuthini, Flora umvuma kanjani, umuntu so nan. So that's why I came here and I spoke to her before I did this. I was like, please allow me to do this because I want to clear your name. I want to actually show Uguti this is what's happening. Because if I don't do all of this, people are going to say mean things to you. And I don't want people to disrespect you or anything. So in order for Uguti and protect istima sako, allow me to ruin istima sami and go there and admit the wrongs I did. And ngibonisa abantu ukuthi okay, sharp, this is what happened. Uguti ubani ufila ngam kanjani after lapho, mina I don't care. As long as ubana right, uFlora are right. Istima sakhe si right.
In all of it, get body fanele protect Flora. That's all. Ukuthi abantu bazothini bakhuluma, abantu bazohlezi bekhuluma. You understand? Abantu bazohlezi bekhuluma. So awusidingi explanation manje. You already make iside le story sakho. We have it. Umuntu ozolokhe uphendulana now. Just protect your woman and that's all. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga sis.
Okay.
Izolo kwasha 4.
Uhlele until 4. Khona abantu abahlele until 9 ekuseni.
Awu bayathanda. Did sisters come or what?
No, she didn't come. I told you she had guests.
Amarasha mkhimkoteti as a country.
Some quarter long. What is man?
No man, Trivia, I'm just joking. I get it.
I said the request is thing all so.
Yo, anicho guys uxolweni wesithathu ndibukela uMageza wenze wife.
Abana ke tlo wontsha ka hore ntwe ya gasa.
Nkuhle batsho jwalo.
Hi family.
Lona mara la hlaya lona.
Hello. Ninjani?
Siyaphila njani?
Hayi siyaphila. Okay mbali wakhe
Umbali 2 years, happy.
Chantel, I won't forget the invite to Linyalo. Don't worry. I'm actually gonna post. I'm gonna do a flyer. I'm gonna invite everyone. I want everyone. Blessing.
Ngicela abantu bakho ukuthi ngiyi-problem child yala.
Hi.
Florence.
Hi, Florence. Likai bathongi. Risha mabo. Bathong TVK. Ukhethile mara wena.
Yeah. Hi, God.
Mola ukhethile mosadi. Ke mosadi sadi. Mosadi sadi. Quality. Ka mkhati tshwereng ka teng. Dilonyana tsa Woolies. Wanaga.
Yo,
I am so happy as a country. Si happy.
Ke a leboha.
Ukhala le drama ya lerato, o beata mo tlohele, o beata.
Ke mo tloletse what I did today.
Mo tlohelle.
Nah, it's not even about what I did today. It wasn't even about her. It wasn't about her. It was actually about Flora. Because now a lot of people, man, you know how people are. They are not gonna say trivially, you did this. They are gonna go to her, flood her DMs and everything. And then they're gonna say, hey, why would you do this? Why would you still be with this person? No.
Ama-comments akho wena trivial
remains. Ukhethile ngonyana wakho hulisi.
Ama-comments akho be-right off.
Ngonyana waba le-aura.
Inkinga ukuthi angena maningi lama comments, so now ngihluleka ukwafunda konke ngesikhathi esiyi-1.
Besides that, I don't know why they're throwing hate to me. Guys, I'm such a lovely person. Keep problem child ya mona. You guys don't know. And they hating him in the comment section. Yo.
Bali! Kumbali ko comment section.
I'm giving you 2 months. We will be there. Oh, don't worry. I'm gonna invite you even after 2 months and tell you, Lena will be there. We don't close comments now. Yo, Barry Puma.
They hating on me.
Hello.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila njani sis?
Ngiyaphila ngizena inkinga ke mina la. Ade ngiku-live wagirl phela emini.
Uthini?
Ngiyambuza phela mina ugelingi ukuthi hayibo ngizwa kuthiwa sisi ubupreg kwenzakalani.
Nah, I actually explained it. I was speaking about it on my life.
Uthi yes. Ngithi iphingane uthi no soyibuye ikhulume le.
Athi nizobuya nikhulume.
Ngiyakwazi ukuyikhuluma la.
How? Why? I need to keep iqiniso.
I don't know, but I don't know, maybe she's desperate or what, but I can't off.
No, maraz admit ukuthi boqamba manga sometimes kuba nzima. Especially maso uthatha izinto wazifaka le kuma extreme measures.
No, the thing is, you remember, listen.
Me.
Uyakumbula, there was a day I said, if you go low, I go to hell. And I sit on Satan's lap and tell him.
And we were speaking about it. The same thing they're doing to me now of hating. It started from hate.
So that's why. Today, NJ, I was like, if she can go low, I will go to hell. Not ngalo ngumkhethile. Uyabona lo ngumkhethile. Not ngaye. Lalela.
Mina I don't know lie ngabona nje uqala ilokhunjani uMageza ukuthi nje she's the one, and I was so disappointed by the time isasikhiye silahla. Yo, I was so disappointed.
Kuningi mara ngiyabonga sisi ngoba ezinye izinto.
Yeah, when I process umuntu wakho nje niqhubeke.
Ngiyababona abanye I love you guys nami ngiyanizanda. Inkinga, you guys are stressing me. Why are we gonna speak about Lorado? Let's put up behind. Yo.
Hayi, asisakhulumi nangayo sesiphumile. Ngiyabonga nempilo.
Trivial guys, uyangazi ukuthi mina once you guys speak about someone I dislike, I just get to a point where I'll speak anything that's in my brain.
And bese if it is okufake enkingeni lento leyo sebakulanda
I know, bruh. They hate me a lot and I love them so much.
Dimples, okwenze muthu.
Hi, Miss T.
Ona le moderator ka mo tseleng busy. Hi Miss T.
Tandy, we will plan the wedding, baby. Relax. Shema and Shema's rock.
Sihle kuyamtseva udula kena nchike. Ngicela ungichike kusase early. Ngicela ungichike kusase early. Lima ubani ukena nchika. Ake hey, ngifuna ukukubuza ama question.
Where's Noni? Noni.
Very white.
Baringi lihle ubatla ntho trivi. Bafethu.
Banye.
How does my little sister want me, guys?
Thank you.
How does my little sister want me? Sihle. Ngicela ungichike kusase manje.
Njani?
Siyaphila njani?
Mama.
Siyaphila nami. Block all the noise. Lixesha loba wonwabe ngoku. Block everything. The reason why I don't think uzochoose anyone. Ndandibhitha ndihate uba uFlora umkile. That not choosing anyone. So I came back that Friday and I was like, no! My partner was even falling asleep. As long as it's Flora, I'm happy. So just block the noise. People will always be saying something. Block, and be happy. See happy nawe. See happy nani. Bye-bye.
Hayi ngiyabonga my sister.
Okay. Ngangikhupha ke.
Okay.
Guys, I feel like you guys don't know Trivial, ne? Trivial, you see, Trivial does not mind hate. But Trivial will laugh at you hating at him, bruh.
Elizabeth.
Sanibonani guys.
Njani my sister?
Ngiyaphila ninjani?
Oh, siyaphila.
Yo, I am so excited on behalf of uFlora. Angikaze ngajabula kanje guys. Yo. Ngijabule ngathi phethwe umntana kithi.
Yeah, ngiyabonga sis, ngiyabonga.
But as we said, asikeleni ukukhuluma ngoLorado. However, I just want to say this. You know, back in the days, ne? Intombazana mangafuna ukuhlukana nomfana, bekavela athi ngimithi.
Valid.
So that's the stunt she's pulling. She is pulling that stunt, and it's impossible ukuthi ningathi nilale nge3 days seka nama symptoms of pregnancy. Aibo guys, aibo.
She's pulling the OG.
Aye guys, come on man.
Keep sister Bettina.
Ayi makame kancane. Or mhlambe bese kameet already mageze showini. That's why ugirl bekafuna ukhethe yena. You know? So yeah. Hey, anywho guys, ngicela ningikhipheni. Congratulations to Flora.
Ngiyabonga sis.
Okay.
Ismail Samageza. Yo, ngikhuluma ngoFlora.
Ngongeke wena ish. Kanti yish.
I'm a problem child for that.
Hi. Hello.
Hi, Adela.
Hi, Adele. Hello.
Adele, you and KFC Wi-Fi.
Kanjani?
Siyabulisa quiet. Why? Kanjani?
Sorry guys.
No problem. Sengenzeni?
I was ngijabule kanjani last week ngabe khombisa what's coming next, then ngabona into lezimhlophe ngathi uFlora ngoba ngasini uFlora ozomkhetha.
Trivial is used also choice by Kelwana's network now.
If I read it in the MB.
Ngikudla ke uja Wi-Fi yamakhelwane.
Uyintshontshe iWi-Fi yamakhelwane Trivi.
Asimlinde guys simthengele idatha.
Akasheshe.
Angithi si happy for Flora stonate
Yo, awazi bengihappy kanjani last week mabekhombisa. Yo.
Mina izolo baze bathi angiphume cause ngikhuluma thata.
Hayi ungaphumi sihle uyas-entertaina thina bayi.
Ilento bengisho izolo ukuthi I'm entertaining some people, the ones that are throwing hate, I just don't understand them.
Yeah, even the life is not boring, Shem.
Ke bolala thata.
Ungaphumi. Hayi keep on speaking ungaphumi girl.
Yabona manje if bengekho bekuzothuleka la.
Bekuzobhora wes.
Trivially makhelwane yaha uconnectisa handle wena.
Simdonatele noma 1 rand. Azoyenza idatha.
Ngiyabona leya gift ye-1 rand nje ama rose. Uzothi make withdraw athenga idatha.
Yeah.
Ningalibali imani wo eyamadatha asikuphe neyinkomo kucala ama buffalo kahle kahle. Hey.
Hayi usalanda uFlora simlindeni Shem.
Guys, nami ngithanda same shame. Ngithanda matlathata.
Lihle imagine if uMageza chose Mamkhulu. Yo.
Bebezoshaya na bebezotrapa na strong. Ebezothi trivial mighty ngisayowasha imoto athi ungiphathele inyama enhloko.
Hayi inyama enhloko uzothi ngiphathele ama ribs.
Uthe yena uthe ufuna uphuthu nomnyama enhloko.
Oh.
Hey bebezotrapana laba.
Over.
Trivial tlola Wi-Fi yamakhelwane mfanaka. Wabo.
Akabe yazoziphendulela.
Akayeke iWi-Fi kaMaki. Hayi lapha yabe kuzoba ku smash down. Mamkhulu en Trivial. WrestleMania one way.
Bekayosola within 24 hours.
And 24 hours iningi.
Yayiqondisa indoda ke lo ya.
At Siena. Hey guys, yes, I felt when I watched the reunion, I was like, guys, what's this? All of those girls liked Mageza, but they just don't want to admit it because abakhethiwe.
Yo, who's that girl who said if they give you a chance to kiss Mageza, said never? Who's that girl? Can't recall his name, but Shem, you see, even yeah, even when he answered the question, you see, there's pain, but just that want to be strong. Say no. It's like, no,
Mabeti, did you ever like Mageza? And she was like, no.
Those answers are from the heartbroken Shem.
Hey.
Bon, King Kizio zincane. Tlola Wi-Fi yamakhelwane butaka.
Mamela Wi-Fi yamakhelwane umnati. And utsibe makhelwane ukwa ule.
Makayitloele.
Hayi.
Yo.
Yeah, that's what.
How are you, that one?
Sanbonan. All is good. Le sharp.
Aphelele. But I also thought Trivial was just advertising. Yo. Aish. Sorry, aphelele. Aish. Hey. Kuningi.
Trivia. Tell us if another show of you and Flora.
Guys,
where are they now?
I get you guys. Like I get you guys want like to see Flora and Mageza, right? But for now, can't you give them space? Let them get to know each other. Let them have that connection, please, guys.
No, Lihle. South Africa, hey, siminga nyawo se. South Africa, hey, siminga nyawo se mena.
We are here in South Africa. We have to
Guys, mina
celebrate
sure
with them.
understand and nam ngiyayifuna ukuyibona sabazoyiphika. Mara space guys.
They must give us content.
Ish, guys,
Hey.
I'm hotspotting, please, man. Ish, yes, yes.
I'm not spotting.
No, let's donate, guys. Share.
Ngithe as donate nama
Donate.
rolls. Uzoba sharp trivia.
Yeah. I Shem, they always say show Shem, yo. Okay.
Remorake. Remorake.
That Deborah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, Shem.
Ish. Doki. Our request, everyone. I can't even accept people because, man,
Because trivial is not sure.
yeah.
And this is all wakaplum.
Ish, guys.
I Shem.
Oh, so many
moving
requests.
and to another place.
Temples is pillars izolo.
And Mbali request.
We have a temples.
Yeah.
Usibuyisela kwindaba zayizolo trivial zenitweke yakhe.
As in.
Uthime a little mfagin before we fall.
Nyalo. Promise. Sharp. Publa's not here tonight, and like.
Guys, ngicela ngibhala ama reasons ukuthi why ningihate kangaka ngama comments.
What too much? That's the comment.
About people's bayangazi ukuthi nginje, and I love the way that they accepted me nginje.
Ilihla wasupha. Ubatholongala esi.
Can take each other ngwala esi.
A back to back.
Stocky.
It's cuz
Stocky says you are boring, Lihle.
Unamanga.
You're not boring, Shem. You're making the life to be better. Yo.
Unamanga tata.
Yo, finally. Oh, what happened? Let's just listen to music. It's your kind of music. Don't add Lihle, please. Okay. Okay, I am sorry. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Ish. Ghost account how? I am back. Get back. Mas can't phone ish, cause now I'm getting calls. No, it's not the network. Let's say for ish. I'm getting serious calls now. My gosh. Okay, let's do the one request thing and give timer. Playlist your wedding day. Military, I want you, miss. Take it. Hello, Maleti. How are you, Maleti? Oh, too much good. What's happening?
There are two pieces here.
Yippee.
They are taking my earlier.
Ufuna ukukhuluma ngayo wena?
Nginombuzo yiwani.
Okay. Ungangibuza umbuzo wakho.
Since le ndaba escalate yafika la. So mina ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi why uvumile ukuthi nenze the deed no girl if ungeke uzomkhethe.
Ngimkhethe. Yo. It's about usisi lawyer. Lawyer sisi yes, ngicela singasakhulumi ngaye because what you're asking me, someone asked it yesterday and sekukuningi man. Sekukuningi and kuba ngathi manje sengi-entertaina kakhulu indaba yakhe. Sengi-entertaina kakhulu indaba yakhe and right, like I'm suffering to be entertainer. I don't even want to speak about her because no. But then when she will okay Beaver so when I'm maupegile ukhona umuntu ongakazayenza.
If we on show like the show you have to be on.
That's the thing. People are looking at it in a way you would see bakhuluma ngayo as if ayenzeki in reality lezo zinto lezo. Mina the only problem ukuthi it happened and I was on the show and it came out. That's the only thing.
Maybe if it remained a secret like ingaziwa thina. Maybe ningeke escalate zifike la.
How can it be a secret word by someone spoke about it? She said it. She said it. I didn't say it. Flora didn't say it. No one said anything. She spoke about it. So umuntu yami akathola 2 cents yakhe afuna ukuyithola and then avoid a lot of things.
Okay. Anyway, congratulations guys.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ngibongela and from the onset nje guys mina ngangibona yena ukuthi uyena umuntu lo like everyone preferred ugel lo winile and yena shem ayibuhle ukhethe kahle. Wife material futhi nje everything yakhe top notch shem i-lady yabo.
Ngiyabonga my sister, ngiyabonga.
Bye ngicela ukuphuma ke.
Sharp. Sugar. Oh, kisses in the moonlight, sugar. Ngibone someone athi playlist ka Flora. Aish. Bayabathi bayapop. Sabona
Sabona maket.
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaziphilela mina sisi wami.
Mina bengifuna ukubuza nje ukuthi sisiflora njani.
Right. Ish.
Abantu banomona.
Hayi, abantu abanomona uyabayela.
Hayi banomona shemphela.
Playlist kaFlora kanjani le? Ayi, nina yaphapha yazi. Yo. Ish. Nina
Uyathandwa uFlora, you have to understand ba uyathandwa and nalo sisi lo manje udilana nawe. Kufanele understand ba usisi uyathandwa, so she's not going anywhere.
She's not very.
She's not.
Wena ungavuma ukuthi angabi nje. No.
Kanjani wasoze? Ukwazi ukhetha shem.
Ngiyabonga sisi wami, ngiyabonga.
Manje uvuyela.
Ngiyabonga my sister.
Yebo.
Ciao. In fact, phone yes is Flora. Hey, la bua lona. Yo. Niloga la bua manyo. Uni. Kisses in the moonlight, sugar. Oh, kisses in the moon.